I beg, those people they back. Me, I not sabi waka. If I dey waka, the joke go dey come off my head. So I dey like stay one place. I don't feel move. People when they move, they get the power. So me, in one place I dey stand. Cause this head, you calculate, and if you shake now, some things go come out. So I'll just stand one place. I don't come back to worry now. We dey travel since now. Here with the boss, so we dey travel. Don't they carry us? We are the kid of comedy. Not be king, go. King different from kid. And we are the kid of comedy now. So now when I come back, worry, I know they change. Now don't see street where they put cotton was cotton. My street, they put cotton. I want it and native doctor. Hey, where are you for come? I said at my street. Say no, you need to scam me. For my own street. Native doctor. And that native doctor, normally, when they do introduction of that native doctor, because they call me, say they won't bring native doctor, come on, street. I'm about to enter. So the native doctor, I suggest, see me they pull cotton. See me they not bring people, they carry gun. Solely cotton. Meanwhile, the guy suggests what I give them. That suggests a fair work before. Alright? As me they write for, we don't get CCTV. As me they just write for front of the street, say CCTV is washing. So be careful. That one fair work. Now I see people still go tell them, say no CCTV. Now lie, they lie. So they can't go bring native doctor come now. So the native doctor, when they come, you say they won't bring the native, I call they say, this native doctor, so they don't do audition for you. They can't say they carry 10 native doctor come. Native doctor from Agbaro, one for Patani, and one for the one where they call take, because that one wicked where we're not for Ekman, and they call take one. So they take that native doctor. That native doctor, all that native doctor, they use jazz. This one, I cutlass, saying put for ground. If you know here, I go cut your hand. So when this man stop, now cutlass the point. I can say, who you be saying, native doctor, say before I enter the street, they go scam me. Now, Constantine say, you know, if you want to enter, no man, they go carry something. This one, now the back of the cutlass, they can slap my jaw. I say, now scam me that one. Saying the suspect say I be thief. Because slap the other time, I could say, yeah, do this scan now. Now the problem why I get with this, if I talk something, I'm going to listen, I see I'm 30 at the time. And the problem why I just get, and I be this one. So now this is a story at the time, I just say, rubbish, I got Hey, see somebody standing, look, say, where this story they go? Nowhere. Comedy world now, we don't spoil them. Because if you're normal, nobody will help you. So just go find one thing, we say, nobody go feed one. Like this time, now people don't even they copy and small now. So I'll see get another one won't do. That one, I'll just carry casket to the worker. Maybe people go feel copy me. All right, I go club yesterday. I think in Lagos, so I expect say the club go full. But small, the club say try, Solidas. They try, people did it. What be that? Not be club with that one. Okay. You want me to call Dynasty? Now only Sunday they open. So I go there. We reach there, we park, me and my guys. Worry guests, Nasabi form. Go to select motor to enter. Hey, I cannot enter this motor. I cannot. When they start fight, because that's how they always they fight. As fight start, we enter motor, they try to rescue, because I guess they injure part. We rescue. One ambulance they pass. Normally, guys know they like ambulance before they fear ambulance. But now rescue team now. So because people will not be start and not start. So we're gonna rescue team. The ambulance, because they say, hello, are you going? Some guys say, no, I cannot enter ambulance. God forbid. And the guy can say, enter. The so-called stab now. They form. Enter. My friend can say, let enter. He say, no. And the fight starts. Go. We did front. From nowhere. Now the ambulance come back again. Enter, nowhere. The last ambulance we come, that one, if you carry dead body, it's like me go proof for. I don't know what if I come close. Whether you and dead body won't call down, so I don't know. For no night, the boot open. People call the rush, enter. All those guys call the shift the dead body, they shift and they shift on. So mistakenly, the idiot, it's all that to carry them go to their house because if you don't enter, who don't enter ambulance more for you? Okay. If you don't enter ambulance, it's a cold where. Before they reach Japan, all of them don't freeze, they don't blow. So the idiot go carry them, go mortuary. So he reached there, they call the load people. Some of them supposed to check, but the tip blocked the way they can't enter inside. So one man inside, that one like woman where. So the man don't die. So but when he see say girls don't they come, dead body call they sleep with other dead body for them. So one dead body call get belay. I go hear rubbish today. I don't even know what they talk. They go help me. God go help me. See, since morning I rain the fall. This rain and God go help. But this rain the fall. So nothing the rain not carry. Rain they carry everything. Rain carry one man can go give another man for him. Instead of the idiot man to come outside, I thought say na rain carry come. Because they follow the owner, they drag the keke. They drag the keke, so now rain come say okay. Rain come get sense. Say since he they give rain come say go they carry the keke go another. The badge. I receive what you send me. Thank you, boss. Respect. You know, and people they push us. Yeah. You know. Which rubbish I want to talk again? Okay, this one happened. This one I want to talk. Not be rubbish. Now what's it happen? Listen, I want to listen if everyone knows whether now rubbish on. If you be mechanic here, you understand what I tell you. They always use this word. Do not lose what you cannot couple. One boy, he go learn mechanic. He never even spend 2 months. He don't go open your own shop for corner and say, he don't learn finish. From where now one guy drive, motor call give and say engine get problem. I know say if you know motor or engine, for all those Range Rover, they are plug into plenty plug. So the guy call carry the engine, they lose. I don't lose, finish. Now he won't put the engine back. He can't go mistakenly turn the engine upside down. He call tire. So he don't do the. He calls me on the motor. I say on the motor. He said motor to the go from. Motor call the come back. So motor call the revise the come back. As he just they do, and the owner of the motor, they can go carry stone block the motor. So motor call stop. So since the owner they come, may not be like say the owner they say motor they go back. He can't lose the steering for front. He can't carry. Can't go put on for the back this side. So the owner. Okay, now that they suspect me now. Man, I talk the real one now. This one. If I want to talk this one, man, go based on record. Now, thank God say they don't repair. We don't get better transportation for worry now. If not before. Now, when I mean transportation, before, if you know how our taxi be, you see how this road be, the head of taxi go, they corner like that. The body go there, you see how they shake they go. All those times when you enter, the man go stretch your hand, carry wire like this, carry another wire, called touch hand. You see 200 watts go light for inside. Now, they suffer what they suffer at that time, but now, the motor they don't try. But if you enter motor, the area we never try. Now, if you enter motor for estate, they go Odeon Road. That side, then now God go help us. 2 people for front, 3 people for back. One get nice sit down, and they get call. As you get there inside, the man carry this thing, the light and the motor on. We don't they go. One woman wait there, he not there our motor. Because the motor not face the road. In head they like the man. The woman wear lace and the body of the motor now scratch. So he call hook that woman. Our motor they go, they track the woman, they go. The woman call them, I'm not there your motor, I'm not there your motor. So now youth call pursue, they call lose the woman. Police will say, I want come on now. Police will see us. Police will see us. It's when you see the kind of motor, why police go stop that kind of motor? Now police say stop. See where motor. Police for stop motor. See where the guy struggle, hold brake, pass. So police go say come down. Go open your boot. The guy instead of that to come down, go open, we call and enter under a motor. Police go say, what did they say? Won't open the boot now. So he called drag one wire and the boot open. So police look, nothing. The night police and lock the motor. Night bonnet open. You can't go lock the bonnet. The 4 door go open. So now the guy, police got to help us now. We go lock this door. Bonnet go open. They go lock down one go open. So I see now the top go open. Come on. The motor cut on open roof. Now police, oh yeah, they go carry a wala, they go. Without the drive, they go. Now the motor divide into 2. In call they go because they can't carry your passenger. In call revise, come back or hook up. Praise the Lord.